Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports, where we've just acquired this lovely Volvo V40 diesel. It's the facelift model, it's the R design, beautiful metallic blue, facelift headlights, diamond cut alloy wheels, upgraded 5 spokes, rear park distance control, full R design body styling including the larger, deeper rear diffuser. Really is in lovely condition. R design has a nice silver wing mirror covers on it. Boot area is in lovely condition. Got the rear parcel shelf. Half leather interior, Alcantara, electric windows, electric mirrors, white stitch piping on the seats, auto headlights. Car good specification as well, really, because it's got the satellite navigation. It's got the 3-stage heated seats, DAB radio, air conditioning, 6-speed gearbox, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel. The car absolutely sounds lovely, drives well. It's done 74,208 miles. At DJH, we've got full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.